slippy. Yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah. I think I'm gonna drop it. Depends if you liked it the first time. Whoa! We're wet already.
Wow. You haven't even got anything to hold on to.
No, we haven't.
No, we haven't. Just like this.
Oh no.
Bend over to touch that. That's a bit weird. Yeah. Gonna go like this. That's gonna really clutch it.
Oh my god, we are. Ah.
We're in a different boat.
No, no, it's
No,
not.
you're where we were.
Whoa. We're gonna lose you when we go up.
We are attached. We are attached. It's
Such
okay.
an unassuming start. Gently twinkling along.
Oh, sun's coming out. Are you on? You were on that side last time.
No, I don't like.
Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah.
Well, we're gonna have to do it.
Oh.
Yeah, we're in.
Scared of me.
Not this time. No. I was scared on the first time. I am a bit scared.
Whoa.
So if you're not scared, why are you like continuously talking about everything?
Oh my
Look at
god.
the fence.
Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, you do lean to it right a lot.
Here we go.
Oh my
Glad
god.
I'm on front. Glad I've got a bit of a gap.
Ready? Oh my god.
Oh. Oh, we didn't get anything. Oh my god! Oh my god! We're all soaked! Oh my god!
The first one wasn't wet.
Yeah, the front row and the last one was so dry.
Yeah, they stopped it for water.
Oh my god!